Hello everyone, welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. Today we will show you how to remove lag on Aternos. So let's get started. First, open your browsers and go to Aternos website. Go to your server. Click on software option. Then install Paper on your server. Now go to plugins. Add fast chunk regenerator. Choose according to your Minecraft version. Then add clear lag. Choose according to your Minecraft version. And finally add farm control plugin. Choose according to your Minecraft version. Now go to Files. Then click on Server Properties. From here, make lower the view distance and simulation distance. Now restart the server to enjoy the lag-free Aternos server. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to 5 Minute Solution channel for more Minecraft tips.